is pain, so yes, our best. Banks again, we're at it.
Yeah.
Money in tattoo for all occasions. When you're signal, what's the word? Any signals. What the word? You know, help me, man. So me have a word there, Rochelle. So you can get any significant sentimental attach and it's money ink. Wow. I'm at all sleep, madam love, so just the starts. Money ink banks. Crazy. Tattoo. The girl them say what?
Ink in the skin.
Ink in the skin.
Yeah.
Them a say my skin pretty like a coloring book. Vibes Cartel! Ha ha.
Yeah.
Say yes, man,
That's our name.
Yeah.
Because you're pretty and you're smart and you're ignoring me, so you're obviously my type.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
Perfect.
Oh, they wear the tattoo under her chest, right? Yeah.
But the chest one or the throat one? Have you seen my throat tattoo?
I saw it, yes. The detail is life.
It's lit. It's so lit. Guys, I'm up on the roadside. I go wiki waki. I'm going to wind up my sleeve. Guys, I'll be drinking. I'm not going to write that. So if you see me, blood cleanse. Don't style me. That wine back on me or in front of me. Don't do that. But you make me do wine. I am whining. You're going to the back or the front? Where you want?
The new queen of dancehall.
Me I go mash up dancehall. I'm blessed. Oh, yeah. I'm blessed. Uh-huh. Me I go mash up dancehall. I'm blessed. Me I go mash up dancehall. I'm blessed. Who said me stress? I'm blessed.
Should I have to see it now? Should I not take 200 pictures with your mom? I'm more than late. Why that's what I do with video?
No, man, I don't have time for that. Let me see. Shit. Man, I'm not have to do that. Come on, come on.